Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag. And this one is kind of an odd little polybag. I'm not 100% sure where it came from, but when I was looking around online, I saw it and I was like, well, I can't resist. But I don't know how super exciting this particular thing is. Now, this particular polybag, as near as I can figure, the number is SWMF-1. So, I don't know. You can take that with a grain of salt. I'm not 100% sure what that means. But I think it's a special kind of like promo Star Wars thing. Well, I mean, obviously it's that. And the number of pieces, it's kind of reminiscent of like the Lego Advent Calendar stuff. But let's take a look at this and see. I don't think this is going to be what anyone would consider a build challenge, but you know, maybe it'd be kind of cool. Alright, Star Wars Lego Millennium Falcon from 2017, apparently. Alright. So, let's take a look. I was kind of figuring we'd see something like this, just because of how things were headed from the look of it. Alright. So, oh, while I'm thinking about it, if you are interested in this particular set, you can, I've included links in the description where you can hopefully find this. Now, a word of warning with this one, I think this is kind of a weird one. So, it might be a little overpriced for the little 20 pieces you get. But I've also included a link to Brickset, and that'll show you all the pieces in the set. That way, if you are so inclined, you can just spend like the $2 or whatever and get the individual pieces if you wanted to build one of these. Now, I am also... Alright, this is super weird. This is a weird little set. Alright, so that, and that, and that. And then we have like the little thrusters. This is a strange little set. I mean, I kind of know where it's headed too, because we're gonna... But this is like this is... All these pieces are wiggly. And I'm not a fan of Lego being wiggly like this. Alright. So let's see. We got our wiggliness. And then the back parts of our Millennium Falcon. I like the minimalist builds a lot, but I don't know. This is you can see how handling any kind of has it sort of almost going to pieces. So I'm not a fan of that. Alright, so we got that, and then we create our cockpit over here with this and this and this. So, like so. This attaches right here, like that. I feel like this is one of the things that's like you just can't touch it. So we attach that there, and then this goes on top, and this goes on the bottom. And oops, this gets us our micro Millennium Falcon. And then for the display purposes, we have a little Star Wars piece, which is, I mean, like, this is kind of a neat little piece. And this, and we have an antenna that we stick in upside down, so we can attach it to the bottom of the Millennium Falcon. And you have like so. So, oh, by the way, we also got extra pieces. We got those 4 extra pieces. So, yeah, it's kind of, I mean, it's definitely suggestive of the Millennium Falcon. And as micros go, it's not too bad. But, I don't know, I'm not particularly crazy about it. Anyway, I think that I would like this a lot. Oops. I think I'd like this a lot if it was like part of an advent calendar thing. Or, you know, if it was like a, you know, like $2 thing. $2 isn't bad for something like this. So anyway, if you see these super cheap, like $2, I'd say get one. It's probably kind of neat. And especially if you like the Star Wars side of Legos. Otherwise, anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.